Welcome. The Honda Civic continues to demonstrate its prowess in the small sedan segment. In fact, it currently ranks #1 in Edmunds rankings. The 2025 Honda Civic will most likely arrive with some refinements, but nothing drastic. The Civic Hybrid was a fixture of the lineup from the early 2000s until Honda discontinued it nearly a decade ago. Now Honda has confirmed a hybrid-powered Civic will return for 2025 in sedan and hatchback forms. Though details are slim, the Civic Hybrid had moved away from the nameplate after its 9th generation and replaced by the Insight Hybrid. It had been discontinued as part of Honda's shift in focus toward new technologies and models in response to changing market demands and regulations, considered one of the best compacts on the market. The Civic's addition of a hybrid powertrain only serves to make it a more attractive choice for today's buyers. It presents an option for those who want something electrified but don't want to commit to a full Honda. Notes that the 2.0L Atkinson inline-4 and the TW motor hybrid system will make their respective ways to the Civic shell. It's hard to say if the Civic Hybrid will get a slightly different tune or not, but the CR-V Hybrid uses this 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle, 4-cylinder, and a hybrid system to send 204 horsepower.